Can I eat the Filolial queen in Rising of the Shield Hero before I die? Is a question that I've always had every time I see these tasty looking bird things appear on my screen. To do this, I need to find the weight of Filolial. Simple, right? Well, there are not a lot of metrics available. The only thing I was able to find through the Shield Hero wiki is the height of the three heroes, Motoyasu, Ren, and Itsuki. So I found this side-by-side shot of Naofumi and Motoyasu and used Motoyasu's height of 175 centimeters to determine Naofumi's height by comparing pixel lengths. This gave Naofumi's height to be around 167.92 centimeters. I then measured out Naofumi's head to be around 27.1 centimeters using the same method. This is important for the next scene that shows Filo and Naofumi side by side. I can use Naofumi's head height to determine Filo's head height, giving her around 39.19 centimeters. Now onto my last scene of a full body shot of Filo. We can now use Filo's head height of 35.19 centimeters to get Filo's height of 257.89 centimeters. Now I know these Filolials are meant to resemble owls, but let's be real. They move around like chickens, act like chickens, and they probably taste like chickens. So I'll base the anatomy similar to that of chickens. And it's easy to compare data because there's not a lot of information of owls used as food sources. And Naofumi's also backing me, he's literally calling them KFC farms. Now from this source here, I will use an average chicken weight of 9 pounds and height of 27.6 inches. Let me convert this to actual English. And we have 70.1 centimeters and 4.08 kilograms. Following cube square law, we can scale this chicken to the size of Filo, and with a bit of math, Filo's weight is approximately 203.23 kilograms. Now, in the wiki, Filolial is stated to be 100 to 200 times Filo's size. So we'll multiply Filo's weight by 200. Then we get 40,646.72 kilograms. This is, however, the entirety of the chicken, and I only eat the edible parts. So from some research, approximately 75.23% of the chicken is edible. So in total, we need to consume around 21,875.66 kilograms of edible meat. Now, the average lifespan of an Australian male like me in 2026 is 81.1 years. I'm turning 22 in a month, so on average, I would have 59.1 years left to eat 21,875.66 kilograms. So dividing this by 59.1 years, I get 517.4 kilograms per year. Now we have to divide this by 365.25 days to account for leap years. This means I need to eat approximately 1.42 kilograms of Filolial meat per day. It may seem like a lot, but I have smashed out roasted Woolies chickens before in a day, so not a problem for me.